Welcome to our deep dive into Keyence, one of Japan's most secretive yet powerful companies. Known primarily in industrial circles, this B2B electronics firm commands extraordinary metrics: an average annual salary over 21 million yen and a gross profit margin nearing 80%. Though little known to the general public, Keyence has surpassed household names in market capitalization. With a laser focus on automation sensors and industrial devices, their innovations dominate factory floors worldwide. What makes Keyence's sales force so effective? They practice a direct-to-customer approach. No distributors, no middlemen. Sales reps personally visit clients, enabling a feedback loop with unmatched speed and insight. Imagine a factory machine breaks. Before the dust settles, a Keyence rep is already there, demo unit in hand. This responsiveness isn't magic. It's baked into their organizational DNA. Behind every successful pitch is rehearsal. Keyence sales reps undergo daily role-play sessions, acting out customer conversations and objections. It's not just new hires, veterans do it too, as routinely as brushing their teeth. Even their demos are scripted for maximum impact. A dedicated internal team crafts optimal presentation templates, which reps study, internalize, and adapt in the field. Every minute of a customer visit is recorded in detail. Reps fill out external reports immediately after each meeting, often within 5 minutes, capturing who they met, what was discussed, and what the next steps are. And those reports are not filed away. They're reviewed that same day with managers. Each meeting is dissected to refine strategies and ensure lessons are shared across the team. The company's SFA, Salesforce Automation System, is the nerve center of all this intelligence. It tracks which competitor models clients are using and identifies which Keyence products are best suited to replace them. With SFA, sales reps can search for companies using outdated competitor models and proactively propose superior alternatives. This transforms sales from reactive to predictive. Managers make happy calls after sales visits, thank you calls to clients to confirm if proposals were helpful. It's not just follow-up, it's quality control and trust building rolled into one. If a discrepancy arises, say a sales visit was reported but the client says no such meeting occurred, it's taken seriously. Keyence conducts internal audits using toll booth and GPS data to verify activity. So what drives all this discipline? Keyence trains its people to uncover the need behind the need. If a client says they want a tablet, reps ask why. What result are they trying to achieve? This leads to deeper insights. Instead of selling a tablet, they may propose a communication system or workflow software that better solves the actual issue, boosting sales productivity. Founder Takemitsu Takizaki famously said, "If you're just building what the customer asks for, you're already too late." That belief still guides product development to this day. Product teams focus on creating true value, not satisfying surface requests. That's why 70% of their new releases are world's firsts or industry firsts. They aim to set trends, not follow them. Every product, over 10,000 of them, is kept in stock and ready for same-day shipment. Whether it's a 3,000 yen sensor or a 15 million microscope, delivery speed is guaranteed. This instant delivery model gives clients peace of mind. A broken sensor can halt a production line, costing millions. With Keyence, downtime is measured in hours, not days. Despite massive inventory costs, Keyence treats same-day shipping as non-negotiable. They believe the ability to deliver immediately is itself a powerful differentiator. Compensation reflects their expectations. In 2022, the average annual salary exceeded 21 million yen, among the highest in Japan. But bonuses are based as much on effort as on results. Performance reviews emphasize action. Did you take the right steps, regardless of outcome? Did you gather data, share learnings, follow the process? Young employees are especially evaluated on initiative. With such high standards, the company also enforces strict integrity. Lying in reports, even small omissions, can trigger audits. Honesty is non-negotiable, not just a virtue. In the end, what makes Keyence so formidable isn't just what it sells, but how. It's the culture of process, data, speed, and relentless pursuit of meaningful solutions that sets them apart.